Welcome to Juneau! Aming service today. Yan yung passenger natin. To Mendel Hall. Let's go! Okay, unang port stop, the capital city of Alaska. Welcome to Juneau. So in this video, pakita namin sa inyo yung papunta namin sa Mendel Hall Glacier at saka sa Nugget Fall. So mas pinili namin na mag-rent ng car para sa convenient at para mas ma-enjoy namin yung view at the same time makasave kami ng time. Sobrang ganda ng tanawin, grabe. Para ka nasa loob ng postcard. Tsaka bigla ka na lang magugulat sa likod ng mga bundok. Lalabas na lang bigla yung glacier. So yeah, enjoy the video. Where are we going?
We're going to
The glacier. Maglalakad tayo ng 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And one day.
Are we gonna get? Should we move over to get the sign too? Or?
Time check, 3:25. Visitor Center. Pwede kayo mag-picture dyan. Sa inyong daan na 20 minutes hike. Para makalapit kayo, ito naman yung Nugget Falls. And then, ito naman yung glacier. So, yan. Did you know na 100 years ago, yung glacier na yan, hanggang dito. Abot yan. So, nandun na siya. Oh.
So dito tayo sa natin.
Dito tayo. Ito yung photo point. Papunta sa Nugget Trail. Siyempre, sa Teddy Bear Trail. So, dito tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin sa trail. Maybe there's a bear. Who knows? Medyo maraming tao ngayon kasi ang ganda ng weather. Sinday oh. Ang kapal ng suot. Hindi pa nakakalayo, pinapawis na.
Pero malamig.
Malamig yung hangin.
Malamig yung hangin.
Kapagod din. Nagmamadali na kami kasi baka maubusan kami ng tubig. Either we're going here, Nugget Falls, and that is the photo, so we're going here. Ang daming tao kasi nung nag-dock kami, tatlo yung barko na andito sa area. So, tinatawag na Teddy Bear Trail. O, diba? Ganda. Ang ganda ng trail, oh. Hindi siya mahirap lakarin. Medyo, ano ba to, semento? Graba. May graba. Pantay na. Sobrang linis. Ano siya? Maintain, no? Ito may yung mga puno. Siyempre, walang nyug. Sorry guys, pero walang nyug. Wala tayong malilisan. Lang kayo pag nagpunta kayo dito, para lang kayo nasa ibang bansa. Dami yung mga kasalubong na puti. Tsaka, pogi. Huh? Hoy, hindi nyo narinig ah. Mautot daw Sinday. Sigutot mo lang para ano na yan, oxygen ng mga puno. Malas at swerte rin naman pag nakakita ka ng bear dito. Pag nagte-trail ka, swerte kasi nakakita ka ng bear. Malas din kasi hindi mo lang kung mabuhay ka pa. Ready to see?
Yeah, of course.
You're ready to see this?
Sa wakas makakapaligo na. He. Welcome to
Nugget Falls!
Nugget Falls.
Saan din yung glacier? Kung makita niyo yung glacier yan. So by boat, pwede dito mag-boat papunta doon. Ito, glacier niya yan.
So, ito yung Nugget Falls. See? Napakaganda. Sobrang taas.
Hi!
So, nagpicture-picture lang kami ng konting video. Diba? Matagal-tagal tayo hindi makakapunta dito ulit eh. Yun yung glacier. Pero yung glacier, kitang-kita yun doon.
Yun yun, yung center na yan. May glacier pa dito, lumulutang-lutang yun.
Puntahan natin yan, daan na natin. So anyways, super worth it. Konting lakad, exactly 20 minutes. Exactly 20 minutes, andito na kami. Yan, simula doon sa parking. So suggest ko kung pupunta kayo dito,
Get a car.
unahin nyo to, mag-rent kayo ng car. Kasi kapag ka nag-bus kayo, 2 hours. So meron kayong oras, 2 hours lang kayo. Eh kaso yung lakad nga, back and forth, 40 minutes na. So, worth it kung kumuha kayo ng sasakyan. Sino ba namang ayaw dito? Tamo naman.
Tama yung falls oh. Hindi lang makita, yun. Ang ganda, tignan mo yung bundok niya no. Hindi mo na malaman paano maabot yan. Ang ganda. Shite. Nandito na tayo sa ating service. Kumusta po ang inyong service, madam?
Good.
Okay, andito pa rin tayo sa Juno. Ayun yung gold bell. Sasakyan natin yung gold bell.
Ay, sorry, ay.
Amen.
Grabe. Sobrang ganda. Maganda yung weather pero kanina doon,
Yung mga tao nag-run na sila.
syempre, nagmamadali na yung iba. So sasakay tayo konti lang.
How was the ride up?
It was good.
All right.
So good. Thank
Perfect.
you.
Thank you so much.
Pinatakan na yung kamay namin. Eto na, walang pila. No lineup. At ako lang ninenervyos na ako.
I want to try the barbecue.
Masyadong mataas to para sa akin. Sanay lang ako sa sa bayabas. Ha?
Nabili ko na.
Sa puno ng bayabas. Tapos dito ka sasakay.
Should we just wait here? Yeah. Ah, okay, perfect.
Ito yung makulit. Gusto niya sumakay dito eh.
Yep.
Pero ako, ayoko talaga.
Maybe I'll try to.
Nagbayad ka ng $60, tinakot mo pa sarili mo. Thank you.
You guys a little bit more about what's in store for you guys up top and how much trouble you guys can get into. You guys have any questions? Feel free to ask.
We are ascending 1,800 feet above sea level on the only aerial tramway here in southeast Alaska. Gold Belt Tramway is owned and operated by Gold Belt Inc., which is a local Alaska Native corporation. We were built on August 10th, which averages 90 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow per year. Shiatakapa. It has since been changed to Baranof Island. It has small, sharp pines, but it is with the droopy tops. The Tlingit people found this wood handy for making utensils. We have tram gifts. This is truly one of Juneau's finest gift shops. You can enjoy tasty films called Sea Daylight. It's an award-winning documentary based on the Tlingit culture here in southeast Alaska. All that we ask is that you please don't put any of your valuable items on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Your first coins, US coins.
US coins. And you gave me bunch of them.
Thank you so much.
Receipt. Can I have a receipt as well?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good
Have a
night.
good night.
Thank-
50% sa 25. Ang mahal. Bili na.
Itong damit.
Bili na ako sa Ambas na.
Narinig yan. Amazon na lang daw siya bibili. Barato, di pa barato.
16th and 17th, so the 17th would be good.
Sa wakas, makakababa na rin sa Kabayanan. You can't have everything in one cruise sa Juneau. Kaya yung mga tao may 5-10 times bumabalik kasi hindi kaya ng isa lang. Meow. You said meow. Erased. Erased. Finally, we're going down. Sasakay na ulit tayo dun sa patakutan. Grabe no, nagbayad tayo sa rice para takutin ang sarili. Sobrang taas, nakakatakot.
Alrighty, welcome. Please watch your step.
Alright, you guys, I'm your host John from the Mountain Side Down. I'm gonna play the audio recording. It'll last about 5 minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask.
Communities of Tlingit people that occupied this sector of southeast Alaska. The Aquan, or the Small Lake people, and Takuquan, or Geese Flood upriver people. Basically, the Ak people are from this side of the bridge, in the village site called Flounder at the base of the creek. And the Taku people are from the other side, called Where the Sun Rays Touch First, and Spirit Helper. Historical sources suggest some village sites on the Taku River and in the Juneau Douglas and Auk Bay areas had been inhabited for well over 750 years. So the Auk tribe and the Taku tribe have lived harmoniously and shared villages in this area for centuries. Chief Kawi was the leader of the Auk people when they occupied a village on Auk Bay.
Tignan mo naman yung bangka namin. Ang liit tingnan, no? Grabe, ang layo, oh.
About 13 miles northwest of downtown Juneau. There were seasonal festivals associated with the harvest of herring during the spawning season of the traditional Auk village site, founded by Tlingit ancestors in the heart of downtown Juneau, is known today as the Juneau Indian Village. After the discovery of gold in the area.
Hindi na nakatakot, mababa na eh.
New Jersey accent? Been in Jersey
all my life.
Yeah?
Mostly that accent's New York.
New York?
Is the one that's
Mostly New York?
Alright, that's
Hey,
good.
you guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Juneau.
You know.
Ang daming dito ng tindahan ng alahas, no?
Yeah.
Wow. Tignan mo, oh. Time check. 6:15. Pero ang haring araw ayan pa rin. Maganda talaga pumunta dito ng May, no? Medyo nawala na yung nawala na yung snow.
He was here. They ate here. Okay, number 4 flash Shanghai. Ang imo ha, different sa iya ha. Oh, kayo.
Ano? No. I-try muna namin to, te.
Oh yeah, sure, no problem. Pay na.
Ay. Oo nga pala, hawak.
She'll order, you pay. Diba? Ganun talaga yun.
Dito na tayo kumain. Pwede ba dito, te?
Pwede.
Yun, dire. Dire.
Tapos free from sa
Baka na to. May iwan na tayo ng barko. 6:30 pa lang.
Radiance?
Sa Radiance.
Wala pa. Wala pa, 7:30 pa naman.
Ang sarap. Nagutom.
Ang sarap.
Kailan pupunasan ko yung table.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers. So, yung aming Juno,
We made it.
nagtapos sa
Sa
barbecue ng
barbecue.
Filipino barbecue. Yum!
Yeah.